Is it really possible to turn off the camera shutter sound in the Japan iPhone 13? Is millimeter wave 5G only supported in the US iPhone 13? What's the difference between different countries' iPhone 13 versions? All those questions will be answered in this video. Apple tweaks things a little bit each year, and a few things have changed ever since last year's iPhone 12 versions, which I explained in the video linked above. This year, Apple has categorized iPhone 13 into 5 groups. So let's start with Group 1, which contains only the US version. According to Apple Insider, the US iPhone 13 variant is the only one that supports millimeter wave 5G. I had to confirm this information, so I visited Apple USA's iPhone 13 webpage and noticed that the 3D models there have a clear representation of a groove, which you won't find in any other iPhone versions. That groove is actually just a 5G millimeter wave antenna. Apart from that, the US variants also support all other sub-6 GHz 5G bands that Apple could possibly put in the iPhone. That means just like last year's iPhone 12, the US iPhone 13 variant remains the most compatible 5G version this year. Next is Group 2, which includes China Mainland, Hong Kong, and Macau. The unique feature of this version is that they can use 2 nano SIM cards simultaneously instead of the regular eSIM plus nano SIM card combination which all other models use. But according to various sources, in the China Mainland variant, FaceTime audio and Wi-Fi calling is not supported, even though they are available in the Hong Kong and Macau versions. Group 3 is a little bit unique because it contains countries that speak Russian. According to sources, the iPhone 13 versions here offer some Russian apps during setup as required by local regulations. The group includes the following countries: Russia, Armenia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyz.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Kyrgyz.
Kyrgyzstan.
Group 4 includes the following countries: Canada, Guam, Japan, Mexico, Puerto Rico, Saudi Arabia, and USVI. Nothing stands out about the iPhone 13s in this group, apart from the Japan version. By default, you cannot turn off its camera shutter sound. However, I was able to find some very recent developments regarding the camera shutter sound on the Japan iPhone versions, which requires you to hit the like button and subscribe before proceeding. Because, according to the information I obtained from this thread on Apple's support community group, I'll leave the link in the description below. It seems the iOS 15 update in the Japan iPhones checks your geolocation, and if it determines that you're located outside of Japan, then you would be able to mute its camera shutter sound. Click here to watch a full video on this topic. Group 5 contains all other countries that were not listed in the previous 4 groups. Their iPhone 13 variants have nothing out of the ordinary except the South Korean version, which, just like the Japan iPhone 13, also has the camera shutter sound lock. Now, on the topic of FaceTime in UAE and KSA iPhones from these countries now come with FaceTime pre-installed. However, FaceTime still officially does not work in the UAE. You can only make a FaceTime call in the UAE with the help of a VPN. If you have any further inquiries, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Never signing out.